So let's do an unboxing of the Hollyland Lyra 4K Ultra HD webcam. So this is aimed at streamers, creators, and remote workers here. And I picked this up as I want to replace my DSLR camera with this webcam. That's right, replacing my DSLR camera. So let's have a look at what we get with here. So I got the one with the mic, so you can get with or without the mic. So that's a really cool integration. Hollyland has great mics. I have the LARK M2, it's great. And this comes with the LARK A1 wireless mic system. All right, so we have the instructions in here. Then we have the actual webcam up front. Let's go ahead and grab this out, have a look at it. Nice premium feel to it. Let's take off the plastic first here though. It's a little bit on the heavier side that you would feel for a webcam. Oh yeah, and that feels nice. It has a nice smooth exterior, almost feels like metal. Yeah, like metal on the outside here. So you can close the webcam right here, which is really nice. It's really smooth. Take off the plastic on all sides. All right, and then we have the USB-C connection on the back. Really premium feel to this. So why I'm gonna have this replace my DSLR camera is really just the specs of this are great for a webcam. It has a 1/1.5 sensor on this thing. Most webcams have a sensor of 1/3 inches or 1/2.5 inches. So this helps with the low light conditions. And this also has an f-stop of 1.8. And this helps create that shallow depth of field that makes the speaker stand out on your videos. So that's why I'm looking to replace my DSLR camera. Of course, is this gonna be better than an actual high-end DSLR camera? No, but just having this compact form and having just a good enough image to replicate a lot of the good image quality, the blur in the background, and just the overall good image, this is gonna be good enough. Okay, and then we also have the mic. So pretty small mic. See this palm of my hand here. Nice, it has the magnet, so you can just easily just clip this on. So this is a really nice feature, just being able to sync it up with your webcam. Really easy to shoot videos that way. All right, so we have, of course, the USB-C cable, both USB-C male. Then we have a little wind filter for the mic, always be necessary. Of course, this could help with the plosives. Make sure I put this on, snap on top, just like that. Then we have another cable here, USB-A to USB-C male. All right, and then we have the charger for the mic, and that's what this cable is for. So really small charging dock, and it has another port here for another A1 mic. So really nice how small this is, really compact. Just put this on the side of your desk, really easy to just charge this and get going. And finally here, so we have a 1/4 inch thread on the bottom here, like most all webcam bases do. Yeah, this is really nice. Look at that, nice and smooth. So you can easily just fit this on top of your monitor. And what's really nice about this is it is magnetic. Love how it's magnetic. So we can easily have it portrait or landscape mode. It's of course really strong. It's not gonna fall off. Let's quickly show the cable length as well, so you can see how far this extends. Right, so it's a fairly long cable. Not the longest cable, it's a thick cable. It'd be nicer if it was just a little bit longer. Of course, your webcam's gonna be pretty close to your computer though, so this really shouldn't be an issue at all. But if you have some setup where you're putting this on a top-down camera like you see right now with what I'm recording on, then you might need something that's a little bit longer. We can still just get a USB-C cable, no problem. So that's everything included in the box. Everything is really premium. I just love the base, really sturdy. Love how it's magnetic. The webcam feels great. The specs of this are incredible. And just having this mic is just great because I have a mic and I shoot in different spots in my room, and then I have to move my actual physical mic. So being able to have this little A1 mic really is incredible to have. Wind filter, converter, charging cable, and connector cable USB-C for the mic. So everything you need for a really high quality webcam setup. So this will work on all platforms like Zoom, Teams, Twitch, and it can be used and fine-tuned with the Holly Studio Pro to adjust the settings of the webcam. So first impressions of this webcam, absolutely incredible, really high quality feel. It's good to see Hollyland venturing into other products, and it looks like they nailed this webcam.